If you want to enable or disable camera access in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you two easy ways to control your camera permissions. One method for changing the setting for every website, and another method for turning camera access on or off for just one specific site. This is super useful if your camera is not working on Google Meet, Zoom, or any other website, or if you simply want more privacy while browsing. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Chrome tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, let's look at method 1, which changes your global camera settings in Google Chrome. This means the setting will apply to all websites unless you override it for a specific site later. Open Google Chrome, then click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand menu and click Privacy and Security. In the main section, click Site Settings. Now scroll down until you find Camera under the Permissions section. Click on Camera to open the Camera Permission settings. Here, you'll see the default option for how Chrome handles camera access. If you want to enable camera access, select Sites can ask to use your camera. This allows websites to request permission when they need it. If you want to disable camera access, choose Don't allow sites to use your camera. This blocks websites from accessing your camera unless you manually change the permission later. Once you choose the option you want, the setting is saved automatically, so there is nothing else you need to click. Now let's move to method 2, which is the best option if you only want to change camera access for one specific website, like Google Meet, Zoom, or another video app in your browser. Start by opening the website that needs camera access, then look at the left side of the website address in the Chrome address bar. You'll usually see either a lock icon or a sliders icon, sometimes called the tune icon. Click that icon to open the quick site controls. From the menu that appears, click Site Settings. This will open the permission settings for that specific website. Find the camera option and toggle it on or off depending on what you want. Turning it on allows that site to use your camera. Turning it off blocks camera access for that website only, without changing your global Chrome settings. After making the change, go back to the website and refresh the page so Chrome can apply the new permission. In many cases, the camera will start working right away after the refresh. If your camera still isn't working, double check that the correct camera is selected inside the website or inside your computer's device settings. Also, make sure no other app is currently using the camera, because that can sometimes prevent Chrome from accessing it. If you're trying to increase privacy, remember that you can always return to these same settings and turn camera access off again whenever you want. So that's how to enable or disable camera permissions in Google Chrome using both the global setting and the per site setting. This gives you full control over when websites can use your camera. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and feel free to check out our other Chrome help videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.